Are too many open tabs making Google Chrome feel cluttered and hard to navigate? In this video, I will show you how to enable Chrome's vertical tabs for a cleaner, more organized browsing experience. Before starting, you are all welcome in my channel Take a Dialogue. Let's jump into the video. First, you have to open Google Chrome. Then you have to click vertical three dots on the top of right side. Then click on Settings. Look at the address bar of Chrome settings. It is Chrome //settings. Now you have to erase settings from the address bar and type flag. Then press enter. As you can see, a new window will open. In search bar, you have to type vertical. As you can see, vertical tabs is arrived and you have to enable it. Then you have to press on relaunch. Now right click on any tab, or you can also right click on any empty space of tab bar and you have to click on show tabs vertically. That's it, my friend. As you can see in the left side, the all tabs are in serially in vertical. You can also minimize the box to click in this sign. Now Google Chrome vertical tabs is enabled. I hope you enjoy your new browsing layout. Let me know in the comments. Give a like and share this video with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Take a Dialogue for more Chrome tips. That's it for today, my friend. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.